Hello, I'm Vicki Leroux with Modern Jewelry Creators. Thanks so much for joining me today. Each week on this channel, I share new modern jewelry designs that you can make for yourself at home that focus on using a minimal amount of materials, minimal techniques, and take minimal time, but deliver maximum results every time. So if that sounds like fun to you, and it really is, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Now, I did miss a week last week. I apologize. We were doing an online estate sale that was a little overwhelming. But so this week I'm dropping 2 videos to hopefully make up for that a bit, because we are all about big sparkle this week. And so I have a new design to share with you, and then 4 lovely chains to share with you, all big and sparkly. If we are just meeting, the designs I share on this channel are almost always available as a kit that I'll link below. So oftentimes you could just purchase the individual materials if that's all you needed, or you could purchase the entire kit as a whole that comes with complete step-by-step instructions and photos for each step. Otherwise, the designs are just to give you inspiration for ways you can use the materials you already have at home. Since if you are an avid bead shopper or collector, or have been making beaded jewelry for a while, then you probably have quite a stash. So again, these designs are ways to show you how you can use some of those materials, or I always have the kits available below on our website. So let me start with this week's new design, which is our Art Deco tassel necklace. And it's available in 2 colors. Here she is in the pearl white. Isn't she pretty? So we've got a lovely tassel with a little crystal inlaid cap, and then the white pearl with a 3 and 4 millimeter crystal accents that are wire wrapped on each side. And then this one has like a gunmetal Rolo chain in between each one. And that, it gives it just a nice accent that ties it back to the black cap here, but it also allows your wire wraps and all the chain links to face forward. That's one color. And then the other one I have on is the black jet. I always want to be wearing, the new design, but I'm so short that oftentimes you can't see it, on me. And my customers like their necklaces long, which I understand. So I always have to get on my tiptoes to kind of show you. But here's the black jet, right? So same design, but in a black jet crystal, black tassel, crystal inlay, 6 millimeter, and then a 3 and a 4 in the accent crystal, and then with the bright silver Rolo chain instead of the bright silver. Let's see if I can scoot them over next to each other. So I'll put a link down below. This is our Art Deco tassel necklace. It's 30 inches and $30, $29.50. And I'll also leave the discount code BeadBabe10 for 10% off and free shipping. But she's very simple. You just need to know how to wire wrap, and I have a refresher video on this channel that if you need a little refresher on wire wrapping, but that's the only skill you need. So, and she's just beautiful. And this is long enough to go over your head, like you might have seen, but you could add a clasp onto the back as well if you wanted to. That would allow you to adjust the length. I'm just trying to find where to lay it down. And that is fun as well. So there's our new design. Now, I'm excited to show you new chain. And our chains, all our chains are available by the foot. I will leave links below. Some of these are available, though, by the half foot as well. I just made them so far to... Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What's that? What's that? Oh, she's so pretty. So pretty. This is our crystal cluster chain. Look how gorgeous that is. With all those beautiful little crystal accents on there. I'm so gorgeous. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh, she's pretty. So all those beautiful little crystal components. It's also available in gold. Look at her. Look at her with those sparkles. So that's our crystal cluster. I'm going to take my other little necklace off. That's available by the half foot or the foot. Because, right, if you're just going to do a bracelet, right, you'd only need, the 6 inches There, look at what a gorgeous little bracelet that would do. Most bracelets are about 7.5, and so by the time you put a clasp on it, right, she's done. Look how beautiful that would be as a bracelet. Or even 6 inches, just attach it to a different chain, right, and then that's what you have in front. So pretty. So that's one. And then I have another crystal chain. That's our crystal link chain. So really similar, but just with the crystal link. And that's available in the gold as well. Look how gorgeous. How pretty, pretty, pretty. They're so lovely. So these are available by the half foot and by the foot. So by, let's see, this chain is $15 a foot. And, oh, I have it written down somewhere. $15 a foot and $7.75 for a half foot if you only want to do the 6 inches. So gorgeous. That sparkle is so yummy. And then the cluster chain is also available by the half foot or by the foot. So she's $28 a foot or $14.75 for the half foot. And these, I also have chain available on our website by the spool. That you can do a 5-foot spool of this for $75. So that's like getting 2.5 feet free. You know, so if you found that you tried a little bit and then found that you loved it, because it's so gorgeous, that if you wanted to do a bigger spool of it, you could really save that way. But I had a couple things made up with it, and then I want to be able to, and then I had people order it, and they ordered so much that I wanted to have it available. But look, we could do something like this. This is a foot. So you could attach those together and then again just do a chain around back or something. So gorgeous, so pretty. Or like I said, take the little components off. There's 96 little components per foot. That's a lot. And so it comes out to I think like 50 cents or 60 cents for each little one, and look how pretty they would be. There's on their own. There's a little teardrop and a diamond and circle. So they'd be gorgeous. Like this, you know, for an earring, you just need to like cut 1 inch of that as an earring. Like right, like look how pretty that would be. There's your earring. Right? So lovely. So 1 foot of it would make a stunning like bracelet and the front of a necklace and even a couple inches for earring. You'd be set to go for less than $30. And you can use the discount code that's below, 2 to save 10%, Speed Babe 10. So there's the crystal chain. And then another couple chains I wanted to share that I've shared before, but there's a reason I want to share them again. These are our little disco chains. See the little discs and the O's? So a little disco chain in silver and gold. And she's so pretty. I have her back in stock. So these are $7.50 a foot. Very, very pretty. And then I also have our little mirror chain, which is really similar, but it's a little lightweight. And look, a little thinner chain. That's going to be in here. Look how pretty she is. And this is $2.50 a foot. Isn't that gorgeous? So the reason I'm showing you these is because the next video I'm going to do is, I think people call them dupe videos, where they found here's a expensive designer version of something and they found a cheaper dupe for it, a handbag, a face cream or whatever, you know. But I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, I think her name's Angie Smith, or Hot and Flashy, I think is the name of her channel. And I'm sorry I can't show this much better here. But she showed this necklace by Kendra Scott, my ring light in the reflection. And when I saw it, I went, whoa, 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 is that my disco chain? Because I would know it anywhere. There's only one manufacturer of that chain in the entire country. So it's for sure the very same chain. And it's a really high quality, gorgeous chain. And so that's Kendra Scott's necklace for $58 that I just made the exact dupe right there for under $20 that uses 18 inches of each chain. And there she is in silver and gold. And then I actually made a different version that I think is prettier. So instead of using this little twisted rope that's similar, that's exactly like the Kendra Scott one, I substituted that mirror link instead for extra shine, extra sparkle. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. So I'm going to do a separate video on this necklace and how to put it together. I mean, it's super duper easy, but I'll make it its own video, so it'll be fun. And that is all of the new sparkles and stuff today. I think that's as much as I can really take in one video. I will leave all the links below. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Please give the video a like. I always forget to say it, and today I remembered. So it would be great if you could do that. Leave a comment. I love to read them. And I will see you back very soon. And until then, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.